Good morning children, welcome to 6th standard online class. Today onwards we are going to revise our lessons for the upcoming quarterly exam. So we will be discussing or revising the lesson 6 health and hygiene lesson question answers today. First one, write short answers. Question 1, write 2 examples for each of the following. So what are the questions given? Food items which are rich in fat. Examples are egg yolk and meat. Egg yolk and meat. Vitamin D, vitamin deficiency, diseases. For vitamin C, it is scurvy. Vitamin C, it is scurvy. For vitamin D, it is rickets. Okay. So, vitamin C, scurvy, vitamin D, rickets. So that's about the first question. Second question, differentiate between carbohydrate and protein. Answer, carbohydrate. It's an energy giving component of the food. The sources of carbohydrates are nuts, fruits, rice and maize. So these are all the sources of carbohydrates. And proteins. Protein, it is a bodybuilding food. The sources of proteins are pulses, soya beans, nuts, egg and a fish. This is about proteins. Is it okay children? So these proteins are needed for the growing children because they are body building. So for the development, for the growth of the muscles, these proteins are most required. Okay children? Question 3, define the term balanced diet. Balanced diet. Answer, a balanced diet is a diet which contains an adequate amount of all the necessary nutrients like carbohydrate, fat, protein, minerals and vitamins required for healthy growth and activity. So, what it is? Balanced diet means it must contain all the necessary nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, protein, minerals and vitamins should be present in that diet for what? For the healthy growth and activity. All these things are needed. So if a food contains all these things, then we can say it is a balanced diet. Question number 4, why should the fruits and vegetables not to be washed after cutting? So why should not we wash the fruits and vegetables after cutting? Before cutting we have to wash them and we have to cut them. We should not wash them after cutting. Why? Because we should not wash the fruits and vegetables after cutting because the minerals and proteins in the fruits and vegetables will also be washed away. So what will happen when you cut the fruits and vegetables? The minerals and proteins present in them will be washed away. So in order to avoid that loss of proteins and minerals, we have to wash the vegetables before cutting. Okay children. Now question 5. Question 5 is write any two viral diseases. Viral means virus affected diseases. Because of virus, these diseases are caused. Okay, that is called as viral diseases. And the answer is AIDS. You know AIDS, isn't it? You know AIDS. So AIDS and hepatitis. Hepatitis and the AIDS are, hepatitis is a sort of jaundice. You know jaundice, isn't it? So hepatitis is a sort of jaundice. All these AIDS and hepatitis are occurs as a result of this virus. So they are called as viral diseases. Then question number 6, what is the main feature of a microorganism? So what is the feature of a microorganism? Microorganisms will be seen with the help of microscope. They are very small in size. So only with the help of microscopes these microorganisms can be seen. We cannot see them with our naked eyes. So they are very small in size, very tiny, that we cannot see with our naked eyes. Only with the help of microscope we can see the organisms. That's why they are termed as microorganism. Micro means very tiny one. You know that, isn't it? So this is about the features of microorganism. So that is about the short answers. Now we are going to revise the long answers. Only one long answer is present in this lesson. What is that question? Tablet the vitamins and their corresponding deficiency disease. So we have to tablet the vitamins and their deficiency disease. If the lack of vitamin is there, what type of disease will be present? Let us get into it. So vitamin, we know that there are 6 types of vitamin: vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. So vitamin A, which is abundantly found in fish oil, egg, milk, ghee, carrot, corn, yellow fruits, greens, etc. So all these are good sources of vitamin A. What disease we get if the deficiency in this? The deficiency disease is night blindness. Night blindness. What are the symptoms of the night blindness? Are poor vision, difficulty in seeing in dim light. So if you have all these symptoms, then you are suffering from night blindness. Okay, children. Vitamin B. The next vitamin is vitamin B. Vitamin B is abundantly found in whole grains, unpolished rice, milk, fish, meat, peas, lentils, green vegetables. So whole grains, unbroken grains. Okay. So gram dolls are broken, is available in broken as well as in a unbroken state. Similarly, wheat also, unbroken wheat is there. So this unbroken grains has the vitamin B, and unpolished rice. Okay, unpolished rice. To get the white color, the rice is again and again get polished, but that polished rice does not have any vitamins. Only unpolished rice has the vitamins. Though it looks dull in color, it is a good source of vitamin B. And the disease, deficiency disease, lack of vitamin B leads to a disease called beriberi. What is the disease name? Beriberi. And the beriberi symptoms are nervous weakness and fatigue. Fatigue and nervous weakness are the symptoms of this beriberi. Okay. Then say, have you heard about this varicose? Varicose disease, no? The nerves present in your legs will be scrambled due to this varicose disease. So varicose is also a sort of beriberi disease. And then vitamin C. What is the next vitamin? Vitamin C. Vitamin C is abundantly found in oranges, gooseberry, green chili, tomato. Oranges, gooseberry, green chili, and tomato are the good sources of vitamin C. The deficiency disease, lack of vitamin C, leads to a disease called scurvy. What is the name of the disease? Scurvy. So scurvy, the symptoms of scurvy are bleeding gums. You know what are gums? The flesh part which is attached to our teeth, no? That is called gums. If your gums are bleeding, then it is the symptom of you have this scurvy disease. The next vitamin is vitamin D. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is abundantly found in fish oil, milk, eggs. It is also made in our skin using sunlight. So not only in food items, even from the sunlight also we synthesize this vitamin D. The deficiency disease of vitamin D is rickets. What is the name of the disease? Rickets. So rickets, the symptoms are weak and flexible bones. Weak and flexible bones. The bones are not very strong because of the lack of vitamin D. Then vitamin E. Vitamin E is abundantly found in vegetable oils, green vegetables, whole wheat, mango, apple, greens, etc. So all these contains vitamin E. Vegetable oils means oil which are obtained, for example, coconut oil, castor oil. All these castor oil, you know, isn't it? Which is in Tamil we used to say ஆமணக்கு எண்ணெய், விளக்கெண்ணெய், no? That is castor oil. All these things are vegetable oils. Okay, children. So then deficiency disease of vitamin E is nervous weakness and dimming of eyesight. So these are the diseases occurred due to the lack of vitamin E. This vitamin E uh, has the symptom of childlessness. The person is unable to produce the younger generation. They are not able to give birth to the next generation. Such person, so that is called childlessness. Lack of resistance power to illness. So the immunity power present inside the body is very low for this persons who are affected by lack of vitamin E. Okay children. Then the next vitamin is vitamin K. Vitamin K is abundantly found in green vegetables, tomato, cabbage, eggs, milk products. What are milk products? Milk products means milk, curd, cheese, butter, paneer. All these are milk products, right? Ghee. All these are milk products. So these all these tomato, cabbages, even cabbages and tomato also has this vitamin K. Vitamin K deficiency diseases, weakness of the bones, and teeth, etc. Bones and teeth are very weak. And what is the symptom? Even a small cut bleeds profusely. Profusely means unstoppable. Okay, unstoppable. Even a small cut. See, if we have any cut, after some time the bleeding will be stopped. Normal for a normal person, isn't it? But if you are suffering from this lack of vitamin K, then if you have a small cut also, even a small cut will make you to bleed more. The bleeding will not stop as easy as normal person. Okay, this symptom tells you that you are deficient in vitamin K. Did you understood children? So this is very important question. So only one detailed answer in this lesson. There are many chances to ask this question in the exam. So prepare well this question children. So write a test, read the short answers as well as the detailed answer. Write a test in this detailed answer and get corrected from your parents. Send your assignments to the group without fail children. Thank you. Meet you again.